Hello everyone, this is Sumit and welcome to GSS Academy. In this video, I am going to introduce to the GSS Academy. Here I am going to explain what about the GSS Academy, what about the previous year results of the GSS Academy, what about the program offered by the GSS Academy to the students, what about the faculty member of the GSS Academy, what about the address of the GSS Academy, what about the more small silent features of the GSS Academy. So I am not taking too much time of yours. Let's start. So if I am talking about GSS Academy is the institute where we are providing complete package to those students who wants to qualify, who wants to get a good marks, who wants to get a good rank in some exam which is just related to the geology and geophysics like GATE, NET or like GSI and more exam also. So if anyone wants to prepare these exams, so definitely GSS Academy will going to be a best and best option. And now why GSS Academy will be the best option, I am going to explain in the next slide. Okay, the first of all, I am telling you here what are the courses the GSS Academy provide. Either you are an online student, either you are an offline student, either you are a geology, either you are a geophysics student. So we are providing complete course of GATE, either you are a geology student, and we are providing also complete GATE preparation if you are a geophysics student. So we are covering the GATE exam for geology and geophysics student. Either you can take this course in online mode, either you can take this course in offline mode. And same things in the GSIR NET and same thing in the UPSC GSI Geoscientist exam. These courses we are providing to both student online and offline and to both student geology and geophysics. Okay? Next, and why the GSS Academy is going to be the best option? I told you now, because we are providing complete package, we are providing complete lecture series, we are providing complete notes to your home address. If you are an online student, we are providing complete test series portal so that you will do the best test practice so that you will get good rank in your final exam. We are giving you best result every year. We are providing the best result. You can visit our website, you will see number of student has been selected in different examination, and the content will be the completely your GATE oriented or your concern exam oriented. If you are taking GSI course, so our content will be just oriented to the GSI, not more than this, not more less than this, because there will lot of syllabus. So our duty will be what? We are providing complete concern exam oriented content. Otherwise student will get confused what should study, what should avoid. Okay, and now best faculties we are providing. We are providing best faculty member, like we are providing the faculty member who is just related to the reputed industries, who is just related to the reputed institute, who has previous toppers of the previous examination. So we are providing the best faculty member, and we are giving the individual attention to the online and offline student. If you feel any doubt, any query, you can ask in the classroom program also, and you can ask if you are an online student, you can ask through the WhatsApp or through the live session also. Okay, so don't worry about the interaction with the faculty, and covering the complete syllabus before exam, and we are giving the best mentorship. If you feel any guidance, if you feel any requirement of guidance, if you feel any requirement of suggestion, so definitely our faculty member always will be with you, and our faculty member will solve your problem. Okay, and interview guidance program after exam. If you have selected in any particular exam and you need some interview guidance program, you need some interview guidance suggestions, guidance, so definitely our faculty member will support you to select in that particular exam. And these are the things we are providing in our courses. If you are taking our course either online or offline, so definitely these things we are providing. In fact, I have explained everything in detail in our different videos, where I have mentioned each and every features of the online lecture series or offline lecture series. But still I am telling you in brief. We are providing complete research, well planned content, including class notes also. And we are completely covering theory and numerical and previous year questions and regular live sessions in our lecture series. Either you can take offline, either you can take online, either you can take offline, either you can take offline. In both students, we are providing complete lecture series in offline mode as well as in online mode. Okay? And if you are online student, so we are providing not only recorded lectures, we are providing live lectures also. So you can attend both of lectures so that you will get interaction as well as anytime you can watch in recorded lectures also facility. Okay? And we are providing complete class notes to your home address. If you are an online student, if you are an offline student, so you can collect notes our office. Okay? And we are giving you assignment book also, and we are taking separate live classes on this particular exercise regular exercise book, assignment book, ठीक है. And we are covering complete regular doubt clear section, and we are taking like a weekly basis or like a monthly basis test also. Or this test chart I will GSS Academy will provide you first कि on this particular date this subject test will be there, on this particular date this subject test will be there, and we will complete live session before the test date. Getting na? So definitely if you want to know about more these features of the courses, so you can visit our different videos where we have explained about the online lecture series course. ठीक है. Next, if I'm talking about, these are the classroom, these are the address. We are our office is in Dehradun, and like you can see, we are launching this particular assignment book, and we are having some annual fest also. We are having some test reward also. Like if I'm conducting any particular sponsorship test in the classroom, so definitely who has the good score, so we are providing cash reward or check reward. Okay? And these are the annual tour. Every year we are conducting a annual tour in just near in the Dehradun, which is just famous geology, so that student get best environmental exposure and geological exposure. And recently we have also had our visited in Rishikesh, and now you can see these are the like all the festival celebration also we have conducted. These are the Holi celebration, this is Diwali celebration kind of, and these are the annual day celebration also. Like all the students who is just having offline student, we book some hotels kind of, and we had these annual celebration. And that is not the compulsion. If you want to come, you can join, otherwise that is not a big problem. Okay? And these are the program we are offering: online lecture series program, offline lecture series program, online test series, and interview guidance program. So these are our social media platform. So I will definitely suggest you कि in the YouTube channel of JSS Academy, we are generally upload some demo lecture, free information, like information related to the exam, related to the PSU, related to the vacancies which is just going to be coming. So it means what कि you must join the JSS Academy YouTube channel, and in the Telegram channel you can search JSS Academy official, so you can find the Telegram channel of the JSS Academy, and there will be, we are uploading free some daily basis questions and with the answer, so that which is called a daily dose, and whatever the news is just coming related to exam, vacancies, PSUs, and deadline, like important dates of any particular exam, and like free content, free notes. So we are uploading on this particular Telegram channel of JSS Academy. So if you are joined this, so definitely you will get benefit that is free of cost. Okay, and if you are a geology and geophysics student, so definitely you must join this particular JSS Academy Telegram channel. And or more social media platform you can join, and this is the application of JSS Academy on the Play Store. You can download the application. If you are an Android user, you can download the JSS Academy application in the Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, you can download the Class Plus application. You can download the Class Plus application, and when you will open this particular application after downloading, so you can, there will be asking of organization code, ORG code, and you can type GSS. So you just download the Class Plus application. If you are an iOS user, if you are an Android user, you can download the JSS application, no problem. If you are an iOS user, you can download the Class Plus application. After downloading, open the application. There will be first option will required type the JSS organization code. So you just type GSS. GSS means this GSS, and you will open that Class Plus application as a JSS Academy application. Okay, so you don't worry about this. So I hope you will get all the basic information about the JSS Academy. If you want to know the information about our courses in detail, if you buy that particular course, so what we are basically giving to you, so that video you can watch, so that you will get basically what we are giving to you if you will buy our any particular course. So in that particular video I have explained in detail each and everything what we are giving to you. So this is the video of about the JSS Academy, and that video will be about our courses. Getting? This is all about today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.